Lesson number 34 and fourth lesson on the addition is script. We are learning JavaScript and we are learning JavaScript by examples. And in this series, we are trying to recreate this application, which is available on this website here. And this is what we have done so far. So we have created a part of this application, the fundamental unit of this application. And the thing that we will learn today is how to generate numbers randomly. So if I refresh it, you will see that the numbers will change. If I refresh it one more time, these numbers will change again. Okay, versus in the application that we have hard-coded numbers. No matter how many times you refresh it, the numbers will always remain 3 or 4. So this is what we will learn today. So I will change the size of the browser, and this is the document that we created last time, and this is the exact copy of this one for today's lesson. So I will right mouse click and I will open it with my text editor. We now have text editor and the browser side by side. So this is where the numbers are coming from. This 3 is coming from here and this 4 is coming from here. So in order to generate numbers randomly, I will say math.random. Okay, and this is a built-in method that will generate numbers randomly. So I'm saving it now, and you'll notice that the top number will be generated randomly. However, the numbers are in decimal format. Okay, so I will have to use another method. I will say math.round. Okay, and I will close the bracket here. So if I save it now, you'll see that the numbers are round numbers, but it will either be 0 or 1. Okay, 0 or 1, 0 or 1. And I want to generate numbers up to 5, from 0 to 5. So I will times it by 5. Save it now, refresh it. So now you'll notice that the numbers that are generated are from 0 to 5, random numbers from 0 to 5. Okay, 0 to 5. And this number is still hard coded. So I will copy this and I will paste it here. Save it. Now both numbers should be randomly generated, and yes, indeed they are. So the application is getting similar to what we have here. If you refresh it, the numbers are randomly generated. Okay, so I think I should close this. I will close this, and we have just this application. Now with this change, we have another issue because our answer is also hard coded. Okay, if I type in the correct answer, which is 9 in this case, it says not cool. It is saying that the answer is wrong. However, if I type in 7, which is hard coded here, it should say good job, which is not right. So we have to find a way to randomly calculate the answer, and to do that we will have to assign this randomly generated number into a variable. Okay, so I will say let number 4. Okay, so I've created a new variable and I am saving whatever number has been generated into this variable. Okay, and I will do the same thing for this one. I will say let number 5. Okay, so this is a new variable. These are two new variables. One is number 4 and one is number 5. So this number will be saved in this variable, and this number will be saved in this variable, whatever the number is generated. Okay, so I will also say answer is equal to number 4 plus number 5. Okay, so we have added these two numbers to provide us an answer. Okay, so the answer will be the sum of these two randomly generated numbers. I will copy this and I will change it here, and I will paste it here as well. So if I save it now, refresh, type in the correct answer, which is 5, it should say good job. If I refresh it and if I type in a wrong answer, it should say not cool. So this is how the numbers are generated randomly. I have added these two numbers and saved the result in this variable called answer, and I have changed the hard-coded answer, which was 7, with this variable. So whatever the sum of these two numbers is, the answer will be compared with the number, with that number. So that is all for today. I hope you learned something. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next lesson.